In today's episode, we'll be drawing wee bears.
Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are
Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? So in today's episode, we have wee bears, and I'll be drawing not only one or two. I'll be drawing all three bears, which is the ice bear, grizzly, and panda. So I'll be starting off with oval shapes to outline the bear's body. So 3 oval shapes, just as reference. So I'll be drawing one more oval shape on the right side. And then I'll be starting with Ice Bear. I'm drawing his eyes, nose, and his mouth, which is like an oval, flat oval shape for his nose and round shape for his eyes, and just a single stroke, slightly curved line for his mouth. And moving on to his feet, 2 oval shape for his feet, and 3 circles for each feet for the paws, and 1 large one for the center paw. So I'll be drawing a series of curved lines to indicate the legs and also foldings of the body. And I'm readjusting the body shape. Which makes it look more like a potato shape. And moving on to his hands. Just an oval shape for his hands, half oval. And 2 curved line in the middle of the oval shape for the paws. I'm readjusting the head, so I find that the forehead is a little bit too high, so I'm shortening the forehead. So I'm using Procreate for this digital drawing, and with Procreate you can always just adjust or readjust your drawings. Then I'm adding the ears, which is just 2 semicircle shapes. erasing a couple of lines for to make the drawing look more clearer. Now moving on to Grizzly, the brown bear. Starting off with his ears, which is similar to the ice bear. It's a semicircle at the top. So I discovered we bear bears, I think about a year or two back, and I find it quite interesting. It's kind of funny actually, the cartoon. My favorite is Ice Bear. I know he has lack of emotions, but he's just perfect the way he is. So do let us know too in the comments which bear is your favorite. So yes, I'm continuing on with his eyes, which are two small circles. His nose, which is slightly bigger oval shape than Ice Bear. And then a curved line to indicate his cheek. And moving on to his mouth. So the mouth for brown bear is an open mouth. You can see his teeth later on. So it's a semicircle and then three teeth and his tongue. And drawing his part of his arm. And moving on to his leg area. So for his leg, same thing as the Ice Bear. 3 small dots and 1 bigger circle for his paws. And also 2 lines to show the paws as well. And then curved line upwards for the legs. So I'm drawing the other leg now. Then I'm moving on to the other side of the body. So the reason why I decided to draw wee bear bears is because it's kind of interesting. I enjoy watching the cartoon, and also I find that kids enjoy watching the cartoon as well. And also I like the friendship that they have together. They're like 3 brothers who's always looking out for one another, even though they are very different bears, not all the same species. And it's quite popular these days. I see a lot of wee bear bears plush toys and other merchandises appearing in shops. So it's kind of crazy. People are actually, enjoying this cartoon and buying their stuff. So yeah. And right, so I'm done with grizzly bear. And continuing with panda. I've drawn panda's right leg, which is going towards grizzly, and I'm drawing panda's right arm. So their arms and legs are all similar, made up of circles, 3 small circles and 1 big one in the middle for their paws, and also for the hands, curved lines, oval shape with curved lines in the middle. And now moving on to panda's facial features. His nose, which is a flat oval shape, his mouth, which is just a curve, and panda's eyes. Well, panda has 2 black round eyes, so 2 small dots in the middle and a big round circle around it, and his ears. So unlike the other 2 bears, panda will have lines across his body because of his black and white color, which I'll draw later on. And also you can see panda's small bushy tail at the back. Now drawing the other leg. And drawing the other arm. So I'm continuing on to draw the curve 2 lines in the middle of the oval shape, and now I'm drawing the lines across to indicate areas of black. Now I'm selecting Ice Bear's bottom part of the body just to make it slightly longer. So I'm just moving the lower body downwards and adding in the lines at the sides for the gaps. Now he looks more slightly proportionate. Okay, moving on to the colors, but before we color in, I outline all of the drawings with black, and continuing by coloring the grizzly bear. Well, he's brown throughout except for his mouth area. And moving on to panda, which is dark grey and white. And then moving on to Ice Bear. Alright. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. See ya!